Hello everyone, I am your TECH.REHAAN. What's going on? So today we'll discuss when to apply a combo chart in Excel. Come on, let's start the session. Friends, here we have student scores and their percentages. Now I need to apply a chart for this data. So select the data, go to insert tab, in that the first chart. Here the scores are visible but percentages are not visible because comparing to numbers, percentages are very smaller values. For such kind of data where we have combination of numbers and percentages, we should not apply a normal column chart. So delete this one. Now again select the data, go to insert tab, in that column chart, in that the second combo chart. You can see the scores in column and the percentages in the line. To see the numbers of the scores, right click here on the column, go to add, click on add data labels. So you can see the scores. To see the percentage, right click on the line and click add data labels. You can see the percentages. I hope you understood this session. Thanks for watching. Please like and follow in Instagram and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you. We'll meet in the next session.